Hello friends, I hope you all are well and healthy. In today's video, we will focus on pumpkin seeds and their importance on adding them to our diets. We all know that in our modern days, many people strips and hesitate to eat the dry fruits and vegetables in their meals, and due to which many people are suffering from many kind of diseases. Some are suffering from high cholesterol, some are suffering from heart disease, some are suffering from any other kind of disease. So in today's video we will give importance to the pumpkin seeds, and I will also tell you the benefits of consuming the pumpkin seeds in your diet. So friends, let's start the video. First of all, I want to say that pumpkin seeds are also called as the pepitas. Here pepitas means the seeds obtained from pumpkin. They are a rich source of essential vitamins, minerals and antioxidants, making them a good addition to your diet. These seeds are high in magnesium, iron, zinc and phosphorus, all of which play important roles in several functions of the body. These include energy production, supporting the immune system and bone health among others. Also, pumpkin seeds have significant amount of protein and healthy fats in them. These healthy fats are not so much harmful to the body. They can be taken as per your requirement. Now let us know what are the health benefits of pumpkin seeds. First of all, as I told before in the video, they are very rich in nutrients, which is very good for health. Pumpkin seeds have several essential nutrients including magnesium, iron, zinc and phosphorus. These nutrients play important roles in various bodily functions such as energy metabolism, immune system support and bone health. Actually, these pumpkin seeds boost your immune system and protect you from harmful diseases. These pumpkin seeds are also good for strengthening the bones of the body. Pumpkin seeds are very good for heart health. The omega-3 fatty acids in pumpkin seeds can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the inflammation, thereby reducing the risk of heart disease. Also, pumpkin seeds have phytosterols, which are compounds that can help lower LDL cholesterol levels. These pumpkin seeds also gives you better and deep sleep. Pumpkin seeds are a good source of tryptophan, an amino acid that help the body produce serotonin and melatonin. These are neurotransmitters that play a crucial role in sleep regulation. So friends, there are also many other benefits of adding pumpkin seeds to your diet, but for today's video I think it is enough. I will tell you the other benefits of pumpkin seeds in some other video. So friends, my only request to all of you to add some pumpkin seeds to your diet, which gives you many benefits in the health factor. Start eating the pumpkin seeds in your meal from today onwards. If you want to know more about health tips, then subscribe the channel and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching.